want to look more attractive. I really want my skin to glow. I want to look more feminine. I just want to glow up. Well, if that's you and what you want this year, keep on watching this video. This was how I looked by this time last year. This was my face by December. I've always been a girl who tries to look good in anything I have, whether it's less or more. I try to utilize it to look so good in it. But then in the journey of looking good, I only attended to a few and left a few. But then last year, I was able to put everything together, and then I started my glow up journey, my physical glow up journey. These are a few things I did to feel like a princess. Let me put you onto it. First, skin. And under this category, we have the skincare. I showed you what my face looks like. I battled with serious acne, and the reason why it lasted so long was because I had this mindset that skincare products were so expensive, so I needed to wait till I get rich to be able to afford skincare. But thankfully in January I came out of that mindset. These were basic things I bought that changed my skin game for life. And they didn't do the most because they were really affordable products, but then it took my skin from this to this. I mean, like, this is better anytime, any day, okay? Under skincare, you need a good face wash, a toner, an essence. This is actually optional because it's quite expensive, so you can skip this. A face serum, your face moisturizer, and then a sunscreen. I only started with these few showing on the screen. And when it comes to body, get yourself a nice moisturizing lotion and then a body oil. That's a game changer. Get this body oil showing on your screen. I believe you must have seen this on the internet somehow, but then I got it and I mostly use it when I'm wearing things like this, something sleeveless that doesn't cause heat. I just apply it on my skin for a glowy skin, and so my skin won't be dry. The second step to glow up is to find your scent. Don't be scared to try out different perfumes. I started off with using one perfume, but now I can make use of 3 and 4 and more perfumes at once. I also don't forget to use body mist and then deodorant. First of all, it's your deodorant, the one you use on your armpits. You really do need that. As a girl, you shouldn't be caught smelling. No. Even if you can't afford perfumes right now, go grab yourself a roll-on. I never, ever, ever run out of deodorant. You see my roll-on, I don't even joke with it. I make use of the Nivea roll-on. Here are some body scents you should try and how to use them. First, your deodorant or roll-on. It's used on the armpits. Second, your body mist. As the name implies, it's used on the body. Third, your perfumes. You can make use of the perfumes on your clothes and on your body as well. The fourth one is an oil perfume. I started using good oil perfumes last year and it's been a game changer. This particular one showing on your screen, I have fallen in love with it, and that's what I'm using currently. It really helps tie up my look and it lasts longer than the perfumes and body mist. So you really need to get yourself a very good oil perfume. Third point to glow up, face care. With this, I'm not just talking about skincare. We've already done our skincare. These are basic things you can do to make yourself look cute. I do this on a daily basis. After my skincare, I do some things to add structure and light to my face. This is not makeup. And this is the sequence at which I use them. 1. My skincare. After having my bath, I go in with my skincare. You need a brow pencil. This is for your lips and for your eyebrows. If you have thin eyebrows, you can just draw little strokes or you can skip this part. Next, invest in lip gloss. These days, people don't really work so hard in getting pink lips. They have lip gloss that can change color, so you can get one of those. They call it tint lip gloss. You can get that and then a clear lip gloss. The next part is actually optional. You can use eyeliners. Trust me, if you want to be that girl, try out eyeliners. Make sure you get the mattifying ones, the ones that can dry up and not transfer. The next one is to do your edges or clean up your hair. If you're not a fan of edges, that's fine. Just make sure the front of your hair is looking nice. Let me give you this simple tip. I really love doing my edges because it actually makes me look cuter. I'm not even going to lie. Whenever I do my edges, it just brings this look to my face, and I love it so much. These are basically things I do. I don't always wear liners every day. All I do is my skincare, touch up my brows a bit, my lips, and I'm out the door. But then on days when I have like a little special occasion and I don't want to do a heavy makeup, something I do is to get my foundation, make sure it's your exact shade, apply it on your finger and apply it on the areas you have dark spots. Then you blend it in very well. You either use your hand or make use of a foundation brush. This is a game changer. Try it. The fourth step to glow up, accessorizing. Accessorizing is very important. I didn't quite understand how to accessorize because I don't want to do too much or do less. I'd rather actually do less with accessorizing than do too much. I feel like there's a theory around accessorizing. If you're using gold earring, make sure your necklace is gold and your bracelet is gold or something. You understand? Don't do gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. I really hope you understand what I'm saying. So I had to figure that out. It took me time before I started accessorizing so I won't do crazy things. So what I did last year, I invested in 1 or 2 gold earrings. I have about 2 to 3 necklaces. It's very slim and thin. You just need 1 or 2 of those, and then you get yourself bracelets. This is not really a good bracelet. I got it from, I don't even know where I got it from. Then I added hook to it. Just, I love it. This never leaves my hand. It's always on my hand. Then this was a gift. I love it so much, and it's gold. You get the point. Accessorizing is key. It really takes your outfit from just there to that girl. Under accessorizing, I invested in a watch. I just got a nice feminine watch. You just need something. Honestly, let me tell you a secret. I've never looked at my watch to check the time. I just wear it because it's gold and it adds flavor to my outfit, but I never really use it to check the time. And just so you know, silver accessories are so beautiful as well. There are some outfits I wear and it demands silver. So what I did was I got only 1 necklace that is silver and I have a bracelet that is silver. I don't have a watch that's silver, so I just use my bracelet and my earring and then my necklace. 5th point to glow up, dressing. This is very important. I mean, we wear clothes every day. I'm going to tell you things I invested in last year that really helped me a lot. I don't buy clothes often, but then whenever I buy things I can use to wear different things. That even if I wear this today and wear that same thing tomorrow, you won't really tell. These are lists of outfits you should invest in. Simple, cute tops, corporate trousers, jeans, blue or black, majorly blue, leggings. I'm really not a fan of this. I barely even wear that. Flay dresses or classy dresses. Finally, you need skirts. Either flay skirts or corporate skirts. This actually comes in handy sometimes, and this is my vibe. With this list, it becomes very easy to navigate your dressing. I mean, you can use black trouser to wear one of your cute tops, and you can use one of your cute tops to wear jeans. You can use one of your cute tops to wear skirts. Like, you get the point. You can just keep going back and forth with all these, and then you realize you have a bag full of clothes. Now, a little 6 to 6 advice: try to change your underwear. Yeah, we're not just focusing on physical outward look, we're also concerned about our internal hygiene and what we wear on the inside, the bras and the underwears. Number 6 on the glow up list is nail care. If you're not a fan of nails like me, it's okay to keep your nails short and trimmed and clean. As you can see, my nails are always short, and even if you want to keep them long, make sure it's looking clean. I know some people who like long nails, natural nails, and your nails are so beautiful. Just make sure it's clean. I'm not really a fan of fixing nails because I do my hair a lot and it's not just comfortable for me in any way. So I always make sure my toenails are looking fine, okay? And you can use some nail polish to make your nails look good. Here are some colors that can never run out of style: the nude nail polish or the red ones. So if you're confused on what design to get, that's fine. Just do plain red or nude color. I really hope you're still watching this video. Drop a heart or say something in the comment section so I'll know you got to this point in this video. I love you. The 7th point is footwears. These are some footwears you can invest in. 1, a black slippers, a white one as well. You need white slippers for some occasion. It just adds a little spice to some outfits. Next is a flat shoe. I've had one flat shoe for I think up to 4 years now, and I think it's time to get another, but then that really helps a lot. Sometimes I'm not in the mood to wear slippers or sandals. I just opt for a flat shoe and it always completes my look. Another thing you need are sandals. There are some places you can wear slippers to, you just wear sandals. And of course you need 1 or 2 heels. I own only 1 heel. I wear most times just to church or if I have a special occasion. The 8th step to our glow up: hair. Try your best to change your cornrows every 2 weeks. I know it's not easy, but please try your best. Except you're trying a hair growth routine that demands you carrying the cornrow for at least 1 month or more, just try your best to change up your cornrows under those wigs. If you can afford wigs, invest in getting a bob wig or a short curly wig. Trust me, it's very simple and easy to manage. And if you can't afford wigs, that's not an excuse. You can still look good. Watch YouTube videos and check Pinterest for simple hairstyles you can do by yourself. A lot of hairstyles are easy hairstyles you can do yourself. All you need sometimes are edge controls and gel and then a hairbrush. Then you can just pack your hair up and then attach something to it. Many things are very simple. So this year, your goal should be not just wearing wigs, but trying out different styles on your own self. That's also what my page is here for. So just check out my page and look out for easy hairstyles you can do. These are hair items you must have as a girl from now on. After watching this video, please, if you don't have these, get these. They are going to help you a lot. Edge control and black gel. Also, you can make use of one of your old toothbrush and also get a bristle brush. You need different colors of scrunchies, claw clips, hard hair brush. As I said, bristle brush, they are the same thing. You need rat tail comb, which is also called picking comb. You need leave-in conditioners. It helps soften your hair, especially if you're a natural hair keeper. Finally, you need random attachments and kinky. So let's say you go to the salon and you make your hair, especially if it's black kinky or black attachment, please carry that attachment and take the kinky back to your house. One day it really comes in handy. You can easily pack your hair up and then attach your kinky or do something with your braiding hair. Never run out of that. Also, you can make use of your braiding hair to weave your hair. Oh yeah, before I forget, you need a spray bottle. This is for water sake. You can just add water and leave-in conditioner into the bottle and spray it on your natural hair. It's going to help you detangle your hair easier. I know, you can thank me. And this is why you need to stick to my page. Subscribe to my channel, is that red button down there. I show you how to style your own hair by yourself, and I provide you with hairstyle inspo in case you want to go to a salon to make your hair. If you have a female friend, send this to them. Trust me, they'll appreciate you for it. The last but not the least, this is the final step to glow up: glasses. Try investing in glasses. 2 glasses you should have: a sunshade and a clear glasses. This is an example of a clear glasses. When you put on a black sunshade, honey, there's this instant look it gives. Though it's for covering or hiding your eyes under the sun, but most times I wear it for fashion's sake. You also need clear glasses, just like this. Can you see how cute I'm looking? I have the option not to wear this. I still look good, but with this, there's a different look it gives, okay? It makes me look like I've got my stuff together. As I said, it helps elevate your look and brings your look together. So favorites, I'll stop here today. If you want a part 2, comment part 2. I don't know what motivated me to do this video today, but this is the beginning of the year, and I believe this video is going to help 1 or 2 persons. Even if this helps only 5 persons, trust me, I'm going to be so excited, because these were things I did last year and it transformed me, and I'm here to help you too on this journey. As I said, if you want a part 2, just leave a comment down below and I'm going to work on more videos like this. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.